when we try to emulate the larger organizations or more established organizations. तो हमने तो सोचा नहीं, जो बड़े लोग करते हैं उसको कॉपी करते हैं, तो उसमें ज़्यादा फंस जाते हैं. We can always debate whether sales is an art or a science. It's debatable. But sales management is pure science. It is based on data analysis, strategies, and execution, and managing the overall sales process and sales team. Now, in most of the small businesses, boss only is the sales manager. So they didn't have different sales manager. They don't have different person to manage the sales. Boss is only the sales manager. Moreover, there is lot of confusion about what exactly should be done in managing the sales team. And this gets more complicated when we try to emulate the larger organizations or more established organizations. तो हमने तो सोचा नहीं, जो बड़े लोग करते हैं उसको कॉपी करते हैं, तो उसमें ज़्यादा फंस जाते हैं. And that creates bigger problems. So let me share with you very simple and basic idea to succeed in sales management. You can say it's very desi kind of idea, not very lot of high-tech things or lot of complicated jargons, very simple and basic concept. So let us understand two concepts. First is, your sales team has lot of information. They have information about their clients, they are meeting the customers, they are also very much aware about the requirements of the customer, the environment in which customer works, the challenges that customers face. So your sales team has lot of information, and you as a boss or sales manager has lot of experience, lot of knowledge about the market, and lot of knowledge about the functionality of the product or overall market conditions. Now the problem is that information on its own is not useful, and experience without the information is again not useful. So best way is if we can enable the exchange of information which the salesperson has and of experience which the boss or sales manager has. And it will be much better if we can do this very frequently at much faster pace, as fast as possible. Just think of it. If you know what your salesperson is experiencing or seeing there, if you know it regularly, and if you can comment on that, there is nothing like that. So that creates an we can say never-ending loop of exchange of information and experience. So how have we done in Sangam CRM? So in Sangam CRM, we have a concept where the salesperson can add comments to his inquiries and opportunities, and you as a boss or sales manager can also comment on that. And then we have a unique feature called owner notification. So when you comment on your salesperson's records, the salesperson gets an email notification. Now how does this help? Feature is not very high tech, it's very basic, but the concept is very high tech, concept is very effective. So when the salesperson gets a notification that your boss has commented on your record, and along with that the text of comment is also shared with him in the mail. So now your salesperson knows that you are looking at the records. That's a big motivation, believe me, yes. We have seen many salespeople who don't use CRM just because no one is going to see it. मैंने ऐसे भी लोगों को बोलते हुए सुना है कि सर एंट्री करके फायदा क्या, आप चेक तो करते नहीं हो. So that's a big motivation for salesperson, that his boss is looking at his work. Second is, when you comment something, that's a learning and help for the salesperson. You can share your experience in many ways through these comments. You can even say that you know the customer, they might negotiate hard, so please increase the price when you quote. Or you know that the customer might defer the payment, so you might insist your salesperson to take advance. Or you might share some other tips like, I know the boss of this client, if you need my help then contact me. Any such kind of comment would be helpful for your salesperson. So think of this again. Sales management, what I think is proper exchange of information and experience. I hope this was useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and yes, do share your comments and suggestions on this video. It will help me to improve further videos, and it will also help others who are watching this. Thank you very much. Thank you.